through the valley of the shadow of death, huffing and puffing, dragging this heavy ass crucifix, smoking my cigarette down to the butt like it's my last motherfucking laugh. Puff up, smoke your ass like a blunt all the way down to the fingertips, holding AK down, playing Russian roulette, pull the barrel up and aim above the neck. AK singing fuck scalp and we're taking the whole fucking head. No last goodbye, it's a closed casket, busting at the Crackers, Alaska, home of the savage frozen hustlers. This is for the hood rats and the motherfucking customers. Yeah, let's see how high I could take you with a lie, lying face down, cuffed up, trying to stay alive, get locked up, a prisoner in your own mind. OGPD, one of a kind. Oh yeah, 187 on the bitches, it's hard living this life. Start tricking my trigger, get greedy, get richer, turn your soul dark and drink this liquor. Take your heart and attack the liver and have a slow death like watching my mother choking on her own blood. I watched her take her last breath while holding my brother up, trying to stay sober, cold sweats and shivers. Try heaps, can't throw shit up, only thing to do is fill up my cup with blood. Cheers to the motherfucking thugs. Cheers. Out there hustling to feed their children, get too greedy, then it'll be a motherfucking robbery. Sending slugs, burn down the mansions and plant the seed for my son. I'm on my motherfucking knees, asking God to forgive me. I'm asking God why he chose me. I'm tired, dragging my feet, running on fumes, almost on empty. I just wanna be free, but watch me hit like the motherfucking flu. Alaska killer bees like woo in 2022. Put up that W like a win, pumping blue M&M 410, mumbling when I stumble in. Buck, hit like a swish, break the swisher, mix it with some powder. It ain't snowing, it's a motherfucking blizzard. Fiend walk up and whisper it's a life or death situation and he needs a fixer. I tell him I can make the pain go away, set you free. First say your prayer, then get on your motherfucking knees. Take his life, I'm the motherfucking savior. Can't get right, applying pressure, applying layers, watch it harden, turn it to paper, feed our children dying of hunger. Food box on Wednesdays, but we can't wait 2 days, so the kids go out robbing, no knocking, breaking the bitches off the hinge. Kaboom! It's only for food and survival. Nobody move and nobody get hurt. Check the back room, only 8 balls and t-shirts. Our education was to do dirt, fuck school, bred into peace. Carry that tool to work and to eat. End up lying in that white seat coming down my street. We must bust back at the motherfucking police. 1, 2, 3, set, turn the bitches into burnt bacon. Looking like Ram 2, pussy lips, here, take a hit. And exhale slowly and ash on the bitches. Burn down the system and fuck probation. Turn my PO into a prostitute. Fucking for a hit, here, get on your